Hi, today I'm running XIAOMI 12T Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you wanna rename the folder, click once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed it. If you wanna move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, or just to create the new screens, we should hold the folder and then just drag it to the right or the left side of the bottom. Just to remove the application from here, you should hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the whole folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and click the remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. If you want to remove a couple of apps in one click just with the folder, you should just hold it and drag the folder to the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.